The number of calories that you should be eating in a day depends on a lot of factors, including your height, your weight, your body composition, activity level, your age, your gender, and also your nutrition goal. So, for example, if you are wanting to lose weight, wanting to maintain your weight, or wanting to gain weight. In general, most adults should aim for about 2,000 calories a day. But again, it will depend on an individual assessment that would address your needs. There are many different methods and formulas to determine your calorie needs. And one of the easy method is to use the ratio method, which is about 20 to 25 calories per kilogram per day. Understanding your body's hungers and fullness signals rather than strictly adhering to a calorie range can also help guide how much you should be eating and when you should be eating, which is very important in terms of reaching your nutrition goals in a healthy and sustainable way.